When you want to get better at a sport, you get a coach. When you want to get better at school, you get a tutor. And when you want to learn how to drive, you take lessons and pass a test before hitting the road. But with AI, for whatever reason, people just jump in and hope for the best. No instructions, no practice, no plan. And that might work when you're a teenager and think you're invincible. But as a business owner, that's a risky game to play. So here is the good news. You do not need to go to AI driving school, but you do need a roadmap for better results, because there are proven methods and formulas to getting the best results out of AI, just like learning when to hit the gas and when to hit the brake. And that's why I put together a free download called How Not to Sound Like a Robot, 5 Secrets to Better AI Prompting, because this guide is going to be your cheat code to getting AI that's going to deliver the results you actually want consistently. So if you're ready to actually take control of the vehicle and steer in the direction you want AI to go, then grab your free copy below and get better results from your AI tool of choice.